Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, April 20th. It's a little after 9 o'clock. It's 9:04 in the morning. Mr. Anderson coming to you just to say good morning. Quick little video talking about opportunities for at least today and tomorrow, but if not the entire week. Um, Real quick, we're coming up on our end of chapter 10, our end of differences in two populations or groups unit, and we've got an assessment coming up. Right? So a couple things. I'll show you our calendar first. Today, the 20th, we've got a couple videos and one last exercise due in Khan Academy. And then we'll have a quiz based on that material there. And that quiz is going to be due by end of day on the 21st. So you're going to have effectively 48 hours to do that. But then thereafter, you'll see that starting tomorrow, April 21st, you're going to have a summative that's available for you to complete. And you can jump in and you can start that summative. It'll open up tomorrow. But that summative, do you guys see where it is going to be located? It's located in Schoology. And I just wanted to take a second to talk about that. We've got a folder here. Now I can see it, and you guys might be able to see it, but you won't be able to click on it. When you open it, though, there's going to be three things in there. There's going to be a multiple choice test, there's going to be a PDF, and then there's going to be a place for you to upload your solution. So check this out. The multiple choice test, we've done these things before. You click on it, you take your multiple choice, what's it called? Your best shot at a multiple choice question. You don't leave any answers blank. I've limited to three answer options. You guys have seen things like this in our class before. This is how we're going to get that multiple choice part of our summative out of the way. But then there is going to be a FRQ, a free response question, set of questions. There's two of them. And you're going to have to download that, print it, work it up however it is you need to work it up, and then upload it here for me to be able to grade it. All right? If you do not have access to a printer, it's fine if you write it up, but it's got to be neat. That's the thing. It's got to be neat. It's got to be uploaded well, and that's how I'm going to be able to give you points. You can upload a picture, right? If you want to take a picture with your phone, we've got scanning apps that are free and downloadable. It makes it boatloads easier for me if you can upload it as a PDF. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You click, you're going to see you'll have the opportunity to upload that. I'm going to expect that you guys are working on these things as individuals. I'm going to expect that you are working on them with your notes only, just like we would in a normal classroom. I can't, unfortunately, be there to handhold and correct some of you who might need that. So I need a little discipline from you. That's about it. On Wednesday, I'm going to have info coming out to you guys regarding the next steps. How do we get ready for the AP exam if we're taking it? How do we get ready for the final if we're doing that? And we're going to start that review process. You will need to create one more login, but it should be the last login that we need to take and make. So hope this finds you well, and I hope you're safe, healthy, and hope you're taking care of yourself. You need anything, remember my office hours are 9 to 11 every morning, but otherwise by appointment, just shoot me an email, right? We'll make it happen. All right, hope everyone's doing well. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.